Looking for a great way to kick off your child's summer? Look no further than Kirkwood Interactive Camps for Kids. We call them KIC camps for short. These hands-on summer camps will be in Cedar Rapids, Coralville, and online, and are created for kids ages 8 to 15. And they're not just fun. They can also help your kids explore current interests or future careers in science, technology, engineering and math, even computers, culinary, and the arts. Kirkwood also offers tuition assistance to help cover the cost.
My favorite part of the KIC camp was finding out that we're doing an 8-course meal and our parents get to eat it.
I made a flower for my mom's garden.
I've gotten to do CPR.
It was really fun. I'm glad I did it.
Over 135 KIC camps are available this summer. Get all of the information and register for summer 2023 at kirkwood.edu/KIC.